guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. If you're new to this, I am setting up my YouTube channel to recreate all the inspired makeup tutorial, and today's makeup is all about the ultimate bronzy summer glow makeup look, and this is inspired by my favorite Rox. She is so adorable and cute and playful in her videos. It is so fun to watch. So before we get onto this pretty bronzy summer glow look, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to click the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post on my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, you already know I'm gonna be using my Anastasia. I'm using an angle brush and I'm gonna start drawing my eyebrow. Next, I'm gonna go in with my eye primer. This is from the Urban Decay. So I'm gonna use this to set my eyes and get it ready for the eye makeup later on. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Cream Contour. Actually, I'm gonna use this as a base for my eyes, so I'm just gonna use this color to kind of set in the whole bronzy look kind of feeling. I always like to use my bronzer to kind of add as a base of my eyeshadow, because I always feel like it kind of like bring out and complete like the whole look all together. It really sits on the eyelid so well, especially after I use an eye primer. First color I'm gonna go in, it's my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, apply it over my crease line. I'm gonna go in with this color. This is a darker brown shade and it is from the Maqpro palette. I've been finding myself using this palette a lot of time because the color is beautiful and it's very pigmented. So I'm gonna use a flat brush and then I'm gonna dab it on the crease line, and I'm just gonna put it at the outer corner area. I have just a tiny bit of that left over. I will be just going all the way into my inner corner. Next, I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm gonna be using my Naked palette. I haven't been using this palette for a while, so I'm just gonna quickly grab this color. This is kind of like shimmering bronzy, so I'm gonna use my finger instead. I look at the colors and the pigmentations, it's really good. So I'm just gonna put it on top of my eyes. Oh, I like it. Look at how beautiful this color is reflecting on the eye. Next, I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and kind of blend everything softly to give that nice little touch of the blending. You see how pretty this is? I wonder why I haven't been using this palette for such a long time. So next, I'm gonna go into a little bit extra. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the bronze powder. This is from the Maqpro. It's called Star Powder, and I'm gonna dab it in the middle of my eyelid just to give it extra bronzy. Finally, to add the extra bling, I'm gonna go with this Maqpro. This is a glow glitter, so I'm gonna add it into the middle of my eyelid to give that extra glitters and sparkling to my eyes. Next thing, I'm gonna go in with my KatVonD eyeliner. I'm gonna do a KatVonD eyeliner at the outer corner and then put on some false lashes today. The eyeliner is done and I've just put on my eyelashes, so I'm gonna go in with my cotton bud to clean up the edges to make sure that everything is perfect. And next, I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer and I'm gonna start contouring my face. This is pretty much one of the most essential part for a bronzy glow look, because you want to give your face that, you know, that sculpted bronzing kind of feelings. Next, I'm just gonna go in with a tiny flat brush, and then I'm gonna try to contour my nose, connecting all the way up to my upper eyebrow. With just a little bit of that leftover, I'm going into my eye. And I'm going in with my big brush, blending it out. Because it has that foundations left over, it is the best to kind of blend out. So I want to make my contour even more sculpted. So I'm going in with a smaller brush to add in more to the face. I'm going in with my big brushes, give that natural contour. The next product I'm going to be using is this glowy products from KatVonD. I know that I haven't been using for a while because I want to save it for the ultimate glow. I mean, this is the bomb, but like these give that super glowy and shimmering glow to your face. So I'm gonna add this into my hands. Look at the glow, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna use back my foundation brush. I am going over my face. Look at my face right now. Look how glowy it is. My goodness, I'm so obsessed with this one. I don't use this every day, but I am definitely bringing this out for this full bronzy makeup glam look. Next up, I'm gonna be using this is a face powder from Maqpro, and I'm gonna set my makeup using a beauty blender because we're going for a full bronzy summer look. So you don't want to use a white powder, so you want to go for like a more towards the tone color that we are creating right now. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of the baking. I'm gonna go ahead with my Zoeva palette using this true lighter color for our bronzy ultimate summer look today. So I'm just gonna mix this two, and then I'm just gonna dab it on my higher cheekbones and spread it across under my eyes. We do want it to be like healthy bronzy kind of feeling. And then I'm just gonna start with a really big circular motions. I'm going back to my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker and going under my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna add on my Benefit Soft Focus Highlighter. I'm adding into my inner corner to give that extra highlight. Then I'm adding to my higher cheekbones. To give that extra glow, I'm gonna go to my Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna add this into the higher cheeks. The combinations of these two is amazing. I am already obsessed with this makeup right now. I'm gonna finish up my eyes using my Stila mascara. You just kind of tie up the whole eye makeup. I'm gonna go in with my Mulholland Drive. This is from the NARS High Pigmented Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm going under my waterline. Just adding the brown waterline, it gives a whole lot of dimensions to the eyes. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and I'm gonna overline my lip today. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Nude. This is the color called Brunch Day. I'm gonna go in with my Fresh lip treatment. We're gonna go for a full bronzy summer look today. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the Body Lover, and I'm gonna go with my body to add that extra glow. A little bit just right at my shoulder. I'm gonna set this makeup with my Urban Decay all-nighter. Alright guys, so this is my final look of the ultimate bronzy summer look today. I am loving this full glam, even though that's a lot of things to be put on my face, but the final result and the final look is really bomb, and I'm feeling myself right now, to be honest. I think this is so pretty. This is such a pretty glam. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial today. I hope you guys love this look because I love it so much. This is definitely my ultimate bronzy look to go for a dinner or for a night out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and don't forget to click the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever I post on my channel. And also please check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis, so if you want to know more of my personal lifestyle, you can definitely check out my Instagram. I hope you guys stay safe, stay seen, and stay beautiful. I love you girls, and I'll see you guys in my next video.